Hello people! Previously, you have learned the correct leather cleaning techniques. Now, let's move on to the last step. Tidy the worksite and store equipment and chemical. What are the steps? First, ensure all furniture is completely dry. All furniture must be in dry condition before they are placed back for use. You may put a sign where the furniture is still wet. The drying process using air dry usually takes 4 to 6 hours, but can be faster by using a blow dryer. Second, check for the remaining dirts. Before you put the furniture back in their suitable locations for use, make sure that all the remaining dirts and other wastes have been cleaned out. Third, return the furniture including all its accessories such as cushions and blankets. Arrange them neatly and make sure their appearance is pleasing. Fourth, tidy the worksite and store cleaning equipment. When you have completed the cleaning leather furniture, please make sure that any equipment and materials are not left behind. Fifth, make sure that the area is clean and dry. Check if there is any residue or water spills on the floor. You must leave the area clean and dry. It is dangerous if the floor is slippery. Ensuring the cleanliness of the work sites is mandatory and should be your common sense. As a public area attendant, always beware of your surroundings and be proactive to maintain the cleanliness without being asked to. Those are 5 steps to tidy the work sites and to store cleaning equipment and chemicals after the leather cleaning activity according to the international standard, nurturing you to grow.